Hey everybody, this is Nick Sischka with Edmund Optics, and I'm excited to tell you about our next Edmund Lab Series video coming this June, all about microscopy. So if you're familiar with our Imaging Innovation Summits, we've listened to some of your feedback and we've shortened the format and we've given you more of what you're looking for. So that's more time on the whiteboard talking about concepts and more time in the lab doing experimentation and proving those concepts out. So this video is going to be all about microscopy for machine vision and some of those fundamentals. So we're going to be looking at what's different about a microscope objective from a traditional machine vision lens, and what are the things you need to be taking into account? What are some of those trade-offs and challenges that come with using microscope objectives? Join me in the lab on June 22nd for the Edmund Lab Series video, all on the fundamentals of microscopy, where we're going to answer all of those questions and more. I'm excited to join you guys in June. See you there.